How to turn off background music in Devil May Cry Peak of Combat. If you're playing Devil May Cry Peak of Combat and want to turn off the background music while keeping other game sounds, firstly go ahead and open up the Devil May Cry Peak of Combat game on your device, and from the main screen, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the bottom left corner. Right after you do that, you'll open the settings menu where you'll need to click sound from the left. Inside sounds, go to background music and go ahead and turn it off by dragging the background music slider all the way towards the left and picking 0%. Or if you don't want to drag the slider, you can also mute the speaker icon over here. Just tap on that and you'll be able to turn off the background music. Now click save at the bottom right corner, and that's how you mute your background music in Devil May Cry, but the other sound options are left intact. You can also adjust other sound functions over there if you want to adjust the battle SFX, interface SFX, and character voice. So that is how you can turn off the background music in Devil May Cry Peak of Combat. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.